What's up guys, I'm Sarogna and today I'm gonna be reviewing this Samsung Galaxy M01 core, and this is it. This Samsung cheapest Android mobile that costs 5500 for 1GB RAM and 16GB internal and 6500 for 2GB RAM and 32GB internal. So first of all, talking about cameras, it doesn't have large number of megapixels like most of all upcoming phones does have. It have 5 megapixel at front and 8 megapixel at rear. You can change the camera frame from the UI itself, the same from the all Samsung One UI. It has no video stabilization and the photos and videos that came out are not awesome, but you can say it's pretty decent. Also, talking about video capabilities, it can shoot 1080p videos at 30 frames per second from both front and rear cameras. No 4K and 60 FPS supported. And in the UI itself, you have basic filters you can try out. So let's take a picture. And you can see it's pretty decent, and I have shared some photos and video samples at the end of the video. And the great thing about this phone is that it comes with Android 10 Go Edition. Yes, Go Edition. Android Go Edition is basically designed by Google for smartphones with less than 2GB of RAM. That makes this phone running lighter and saving data. And in this budget, because of Android Go Edition, this phone just kills it if we compare to other phone that comes under this budget. And the apps are also lightweight. Here, Gallery, Google Assistant, Google Photos, even Google App is likely to be Go Edition. And talking about its RAM management, it doesn't keep much apps in RAM what you can expect from 1GB or 2GB RAM phone. It reloads every other apps in RAM. I guess it just keeps 2 apps in the RAM at a time. It doesn't let you do heavy multitasking, and this is a good thing for this phone. This makes battery last longer. And then its speakers. These are really nice. This sounds very well even in the noise. And you can only watch 720p videos on YouTube. Although it's a 720p display, but it's a Samsung display, so you don't have to worry about. Samsungs are called the king of the display. It also have a dark mode all over the apps. Yes, you can play games like PUBG, but gaming on this phone won't go well enough. This phone is having a MediaTek MT6739 processor, and yes, you can play games like normal games very well. Also, this phone is having a 3000 mAh battery that will last all day if you are a normal user, but if you are a heavy user, you have to put it on the charging in between of the day. And the charger that comes with the box isn't a fast charger, and the phone itself doesn't support fast charging. And now moving towards its build quality. It is very handy in our hands. It has a power button and volume up down keys on the right, and on the left it has a SIM slot. It's not a hybrid, it means you can use 2 SIM cards along with a memory card. And at the bottom you have 3.5mm headphone jack, a built-in microphone, micro USB for charging, and a built-in speakers. And the top of this phone is just plain. There is a matte plastic at the back, there's a Samsung branding and a single rear camera bump with a flash. And it comes with 3 basic colors, black, blue and red. The very interesting thing that I noticed, that despite of being a Samsung phone, on a Samsung keyboard, it still shows Android emojis. Samsung emojis look like this, but it is showing Android emojis. Interesting. So this video is taken from Samsung Galaxy M01 core from its back camera. So you can also check out video stability while I am walking. You can zoom up to 4x. So now this video is taken from Samsung Galaxy M01 core from its front camera. You can see the dynamic range behind me. It's pretty simple. And also check out video stability while I'm walking. So that's all. This phone is perfect for children who just want to attend online lectures and a little bit gaming, or you can give it to elders who doesn't use mobile much, or for those person who just want a phone for calling, messaging or email. And if your budget is very less, this phone can do every basic thing despite of being a low GB RAM. You can buy it, but don't if you are a heavy user and likes a heavy gaming. So that is it for today, guys. Please comment down below how was the video, because this is the first time I'm making the video with face cam. And don't forget to hit subscribe my channel, and till then, tada.